Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by gathering your tools and prepping your workspace for safety. Gather a soft microfiber cloth, 70% isopropyl alcohol, and a small flat tool. Confirm the ear pad diameter, typically 3.5 inches or model-specific measurement, so the replacement fits. Work on a clean, flat surface with good light and a soft towel under the headphones. Power off Bluetooth devices and remove any cables to avoid damage during handling. Wash your hands and remove rings to prevent scratching the cups while you work. Flip the headset so the ear cup faces upward on the towel. Peel the old ear pads by lifting the seam evenly around the cup edge. Work around the circumference and avoid pulling on the driver housing. If pads are glued, apply a drop of isopropyl alcohol at the seam and wait 30 to 60 seconds. Gently scrape away softened adhesive using a small flat tool and the microfiber cloth. Inspect the frame for leftover adhesive, tears, or damaged mounting clips before moving to cleaning. Dry and clean the cup with the microfiber cloth and a dab of alcohol. Align the new pad's mounting ring with the cup slots and press evenly into place. Start at one point and work your way around while stretching only slightly. Ensure the lip seats fully into each slot and the seam sits flush against the cup. If the replacement uses adhesive, press firmly and allow 20 minutes for bond curing before testing. Finally, wear the headphones and play familiar audio to confirm comfort and proper sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.